Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
Again, please.
Okay, this is Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victoria Florida QRP. It's a Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot. Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Florida QRP.
Bravo Germany 7.
Roger, Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot. Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
QRP, please, only static.
Okay, there's a Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tokyo Victor Florida. Tokyo Victor Florida. Tokyo Victor Florida.
Tokyo Victor Florida.
Roger. Thank you for the contact. Roger. You are come to South China. It's 5x8. 5x8. 50A. Cancel.
Okay, QSL, my friend. Good afternoon. Bravo Golf 7, Tokyo Foxtrot, Florida. Stroke QRP, Delta Mike 4 Kilo Julia. Thank you for your call. You reported 4-3 and QRP, my friend. My name is David, Delta Echo November India Sierra, 2
Okay, copy. Nice to meet you, Danny. And my name is Lo Lima United Oscar. Lima United Oscar. My name is Lo, and I'm 5 watts. 5 watts for you. 5 watts for you. 5 whiskey. A 3-element YAGI. 3-element YAGI on the mountain. 3-element YAGI on the mountain. Back to you.
Okay, I got it. 5 whiskey, you output power 5 whiskey, 3-element YAGI.
My name is Lo Lima United Oscar. Lima United Oscar. Repeat. Lima United Oscar. Back to you.
Sorry, no copy your name, my friend. Okay, thank you for nice contact. My friend, 5 whiskey, very good job. Big job. Thank you for nice contact. And I hope you again on many days. Bravo, Tango, Florida, Tango, Victor, Florida, stroke QRP from Delta Mike 4 Kilo. Over.
Okay, thank you for the contact. 73. Have a nice weekend. Oh, sorry. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. 73. QRP, PQ, train method, PQ.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
Security XCQ, secure Delta X-ray, Echo 70 Tango.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
J5 Juliet Queen Delta. And the dim over there, 59, over. from Japan. A very good evening. Thank you for your contact. 73, good luck. 73, this is Echo 70 Tango.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot.
Golf 7 Delta Victor.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tokyo Victor Foxtrot QRP.
Is it Bravo Golf 7 Delta Victor America?
Is a Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tango Victoria Florida. Tango Victoria Florida.
Roger, roger. Bravo Golf 7 Delta Victoria Florida. Roger.
Is a Bravo Tokyo Tango Victor Florida. Tango Victor Florida.
Is it Tango Victor Florida?
QRP station. My QRP station is 5 watt. You are 5 by 9, 59 QSL.
Okay, I get it 5 and 9, but that's not sure your call sign. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Florida. Roger.
Roger. QSL.
Okay, I give you 5 and 5, 55, okay?
Okay, QSL, 5 by 5. Thank you, 5 by 5. QRP station. I'm on the mountain, 5 watts, 5 whiskey. QSL?
Okay, Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Florida. Thank you for contact. 73, good luck.
Okay, 73, good luck.
Thank you. This is Echo 70 Tango. Sierra, George 4, Alpha, Charlie, Sugar, CQ10. Germany 4, Alpha, Charlie, Sugar, CQ110.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
QRZ.
Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Golf 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP. Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot QRP.
Bravo Germany 7. Bravo Germany 7. QRP. Please again your call. Over.
Okay. This is Bravo Germany 7 Tango. Victor. Foxtrot. QSL?
QSB. Bravo Germany 7 Victor. Bravo Germany 7 Victor QRP. Is that correct, over?
Is that the Bravo Germany 7 Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tokyo Victoria Florida. Tango Victor Foxtrot. Tango Victoria Florida. QSL?
Florida. Is that correct, over?
It's QSL. Your signal come to South China is 5 by 9. QSL?
Victor, Florida. You're about a 3 and 1. A 3, readability 3, signal strength 1. Readability 3, signal strength 1 with QSB. So thank you for the call. I'll check you on QRZ in a moment. And please give me a report. And again, your call sign. Please my report and your call sign again, please.
Okay. Your copy my call sign is correct. Your copy my call sign is right. It's QSL. and your 5 by 8, 50A, 5 by 8, 50A, 50A, 5 and 8, 5 over 8, 5 over 8. Number 5 and number 8, my call sign is Bravo Golf 7, Tango Victor Foxtrot. Bravo Golf 7, Tango Victor Foxtrot. Back to you.
Roger. Okay, Luo. Bravo Germany 7, Tango Victor Foxtrot. I have your call okay. I have you on QRZ. Luo Ying. So thank you for that, Luo. You're 3 by 1, QS Baltimore. Can you please tell me?
Okay, 73. Thanks for the contact. 73. Bye bye. Have a nice, good day.
What is your power output, Luo? How many watts, over?
Okay, 5 watt, number 5 whiskey, 5 whiskey, number 5, 5 whiskey, QSL?
Your aerial, Luo, over?
My antenna is 3-element YAGI, I'm on the mountain, 3-element YAGI, the mountain is 800 meter, on the mountain, 5 whiskey, QSL?
Roger. Thank you. 3-element YAGI. Well, you're doing very well. I'm not sure. Please again, my report is 53. It's 53, my report, over.
Your report is 5 by 8, 50A, number 5 and number 5 and number 8, 50A, QSL?
Roger, 5-8. Thank you, Louis. Well, on the peak, you're 5-1 now. 5-1 on the peak, Louis. Luo. 7-3. Many thanks for your patience. Bravo Germany 7, Tango Victor Foxtrot, Golf 4, Alpha Charlie Sierra. 7-3, Luo.
Okay, 73. Have a good day.
7-3, and I hope we can hear us over again. Bravo Golf 7, Tango Victor Fox, Golf 4, Alpha Charlie Sierra. 7-3.
Bye bye.